Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to use PageFly in Shopify. In this video, I will guide you step by step so you can build custom pages for your online store with ease. PageFly is a drag and drop page builder that allows you to design landing pages, product pages, and home pages without needing coding skills. First, you need to install PageFly from the Shopify App Store. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Apps, and then click Visit Shopify App Store. Search for PageFly, click Add App, and then follow the steps to install it. Once installed, you can open PageFly from the Apps section in your dashboard. First, open PageFly, then click Pages. You will see a clean interface with templates to choose from. If you want to start from scratch, you can select a blank page. If you prefer a ready-made design, you can pick a template and then edit it as you like. We will do with ready-made templates. To build a page, simply drag elements like text, images, buttons, and videos from the left panel onto your page. You can click on any element to edit its content, change fonts, adjust colors, or add links. Use the sections and rows to structure your layout. Once you are done designing, click Save.